So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep, and in today's video we are going to make some smokies with Indomie, and then we are going to fry them in these green onions. So first of all, let's start with boiling our Indomie. So our cooking oil is ready, so we are going to put our smokies inside. So our smokies are ready. So we are going to boil our Indomie. So our Indomie is ready, so let's drain the excess water. So I'm going to put some cooking oil. Then I'm going to add my green onions. Then I'm going to add some tomato paste. Then I'm going to add my Indomie. Then we add in our smokies. So this is the end results. Our smokies and Indomie. So our food is ready. This is the outcome. The recipe was simple and fast. So see you on the next food vlog. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on road to 1K subscribers. See you on the next one. Bye.